Before I get you more on this big story, I quickly want to cut across to Mumbai. Let's quickly listen in to Satish Manishinde, the lawyer of Aryan Khan, son of film actor Shah Rukh Khan. Now, he's been remanded to 3 days in police custody. Let's listen in.
आप अपीयर हुए थे, क्या बोलेंगे?
अरे आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप दादा बीच में घुसे आप आए।
बाई हियरिंग में सिर्फ इतना ही हुआ कि उन लोग ने एनसीबी कस्टडी मांगे और हम लोग ने अपोज किए थे, ये बोल के इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो गया है, पर कोर्ट ने 7 तारीख तक के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए परमिशन दी।
पोजीशन को लेकर लगातार जिक्र किया जा रहा है कि आमने सामने बिठा के आरोपियों को पूछताछ करनी, ये दलील दी जाती है एनसीबी की तरफ से। उस बारे में आप क्या हो? तो
उन लोगों को कन्फ्रंट करना है अभी उसके बारे में।
आर्यन के पास से ड्रग्स नहीं मिला है, आपके मर्चेंट है उनके पास से ड्रग्स मिला है, उसको लेकर क्या क्या एनसीबी कहा और आप लोग का
नहीं, हम लोगों का यही है कि हमारे पास से कुछ नहीं मिला, ये एलिगेशन है एंड वी वर इंटरसेप्टेड बिफोर वी बोट चढ़ने के पहले।
और कलेक्टिव सीजर दिखा रहे, आपको लगता है कि बड़ा आप लोग के लिए प्लस पॉइंट हो सकता है क्योंकि इंडिविजुअली दिखा पा रहे थे?
नहीं, इंडिविजुअली कुछ भी नहीं मिला है, तो ये इसीलिए लोग दे आर शोइंग इट कलेक्टिव। आगे बेल 7 तारीख के बाद आना, मरो है मेरे को 7 तारीख के बाद
आराम से
जज ने बाकी लोगों से कुछ कन्फ्रंट करने के लिए 7 तारीख तक का दिया था और जबकि
सेक्शन 8C के तहत कंजम्पशन का आरोप भी लगाया कि
कंजम्पशन का आरोप लगाया है, लेकिन कंजम्पशन का कोई एविडेंस ही नहीं है। वो लोग ना तो शिप बोर्ड किए थे, ना ही शिप के तरफ जा रहे थे। वो लोग को शिप के जाने से पहले ही उन लोग को पकड़ा था, तो कंजम्पशन का भी कोई आरोप जो है वो सिद्ध होता ही नहीं है। इवन प्राइमा फेसी इट इज नॉट।
लेकिन आपने कोर्ट को ये भी बताया था कि आपके व्हाट्सएप चैट जो कि डाउनलोड किए गए हैं उसमें कुछ ये मिल पाया है, मतलब कनेक्शंस जो है?
नहीं जी, कोई नहीं, कोई भी कनेक्शन नहीं है। व्हाट्सएप चैट में भी कोई भी कनेक्शन नहीं है, नहीं है कोई भी, ना तो रिकवरी है ना ही ये है। व्हाट्सएप चैट्स का भी कोई संबंध नहीं है।
तो व्हाट्सएप चैट के ही पर
नहीं, कोर्ट ने व्हाट्सएप चैट के आधारित पे नहीं दिया था। कोर्ट ने सिर्फ इसी बेसिस पे दिया था कि बाकी के जो आरोपी नए वाले पकड़े गए हैं उनसे कन्फ्रंट करने के लिए सिर्फ दिया गया है। बाकी उनके पास से जो भी मिला है वो वही खत्म हुआ था कल, जो कल खत्म हुआ था। उसके बाद उनके खिलाफ कोई भी अभी तक एक भी एविडेंस नहीं मिला है। सिर्फ कन्फ्रंट करने के लिए उन लोग को कस्टडी दी गई है।
सुनवाई से पहले आर्यन खान से बात करने की कोर्ट ने आपको परमिशन दी थी, उस दौरान क्या बात हुई थी?
जी वो तो पहले तो मैं अरबाज के तरफ से हूँ जी। मैं तो अरबाज के तरफ से हूँ और दूसरी बात जी मैं तो अरबाज के तरफ से हूँ और दूसरी बात ये है कि मेरे और क्लाइंट के बीच में क्या बात हुई थी ये मैं आपसे नहीं बात कर सकता। आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट। इट इज अ कॉन्फिडेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन। आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू शेयर दैट विथ यू। सीधा
given custody additional for 3 days, if I'm not mistaken?
Yes, the custody has been given additional for 3 days. However, the arguments were based only on the prima facie evidence which has been collected. We first of all do not have the copies of the Panchanama which the prosecution always makes, and therefore we could not make submissions on merits. However, the fact that nothing has been recovered, and secondly, they were not even invited by the organizers, neither have they boarded the ship. That itself shows that there is no connection between me and the alleged syndicate which the prosecution is claiming. So that were the basic points of argument, apart from the fact that they have been charged for consumption. Even if that is true, the only punishment, maximum punishment that can be given is up to 1 year. So therefore there is no case made out for the further custody, apart from the fact that they have to investigate and they have to confront it with the other accused. That is the only reason why the court has granted for confronting him with the other accused, the accused which have been arrested later, and with the organizers. Nothing apart from that.
You mentioned the fact that they didn't board the cruiser. That is
correct. They didn't.
That organizers didn't invite them. Then why were they there?
Yes, because they were invited by one of the friend who was invited, and that friend has not been arrested, but he has been arrested. He has been framed in the matter. That is all that I can say at the moment. Thank you. Advocate Advait Tamankar.
एक मिनट हो गया, आ जाओ मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा
And news coming in actor Shah Rukh Khan's son. Actor Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan, his police custody has been extended for another 3 days. Aryan Khan spoke to his lawyer Satish Manishinde in court trying to understand the proceedings is what we are being told. We are also being told that Munmun Dhamecha, she broke down in court when custody was extended by another 3 days because yesterday we were told the impression was that impression that was given out was NCB wanted their custody only for 24 hours, would not want it for more. Again, both Satish Manishinde and Arbaz Merchant's lawyer, they claim that nothing was recovered from these accused. Subsequent recovery was made, but not from these individuals. So whether it is Aryan or Arbaz or Munmun Dhamecha, Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant or Munmun Dhamecha, no recovery was made from them. They did not even board the cruise liner. They were not going on that visit. They had been intercepted earlier, is what the legal officials on their team are saying. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Divyesh Singh for more on this big story. Divyesh, from what officials of the NCB indicated, that WhatsApp chats indicated, pictures indicated a wider nexus. The lawyers are saying there is no wider nexus. There was nothing that was found on their person. They had not boarded the cruise liner and their custody is being sought only to confront them with the other accused who've now been arrested.
Yeah, right, Gaurav. As of now, we've learned that while the accused were being produced in court, arguments happened from both sides, and prosecution stated that they want the custody extended of Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant, and Munmun Dhamecha for the next 5 days. They had sought custody till the 11th of October, but the court, after hearing arguments from both sides, extended the custody only till 7th of October. But the court has relied upon NCB's statement, NCB's argument that the arrested accused need to be confronted with the newly arrested accused, with the accused who have been arrested now by the NCB, who have been arrested today by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Remember, this morning also the Narcotics Control Bureau conducted searches and raids on the cruise liner, following which 8 persons were detained, 8 persons are being examined, and it is suspected that some of the organizers of the event that was happening on board this ship, on board this cruise liner, have also been detained, as informed in court by the prosecution.
But
it
explain
also
this.
Come to light that
what is Satish Manishinde? What did he say in court about the contents of Aryan Khan's mobile phone? From what NCB officials were telling India Today reporters on ground, there are some WhatsApp chats that indicate a link. There are some photographs that are critical. What are those photographs? What is the content of these WhatsApp chats? All of this admissible as evidence in court.
Gaurav, there are WhatsApp chats that have been retrieved from Aryan Khan's phone, Aryan Khan's mobile phone, and that is while retrieving those WhatsApp chats, there were several messages which were analyzed by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials, and they found that Aryan had been in touch with some of the drug peddlers. He had communicated with several people regarding procurement of drugs, regarding consumption of drugs. They've also found transactional details. They have found transactions which are suspected to have been carried out with drug peddlers for procurement of drugs, for buying drugs. So that is what was pointed out by the prosecution. Satish Manishinde, who was appearing for Aryan Khan, stated that these WhatsApp chats are of past. They are, some are even 3 years old, when he was not even in India. He was not in the country. So this case cannot happen. This cannot be considered as an evidence in this case.
Stay with me for a moment. What about the other accused in this case? And we will talk about them in greater detail. But for the moment, I just want our viewers to bring them up to speed with the latest. So as of now, no relief for Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. Mumbai court has denied bail to Aryan Khan in this drug case. The court has extended Aryan Khan's NCB custody till the 7th of October. The court hearing both cases, it's needed. The NCB is saying they want custodial interrogation. Now, during the hearing, NCB said that they found incriminating evidence in Aryan's mobile phone in form of pictures. NCB also said that there are chats of procurement of drugs in bulk on Aryan's phone. Now, defending Aryan Khan, advocate Satish Manishinde in court said, 1. Aryan has no contact with the organizers or the ship owners. 2. No substance was found in his possession. 3. Satish Manishinde argued that NCB has downloaded Aryan's chats and linked it to an international drug racket. There is no connection. At the same time, he was studying abroad. He'd returned to the country only 3 to 4 weeks back. So how could he be a part of any cartel? Devesh, I once again want to bring you in. So Devesh, there appears to be a major disconnect between what NCB sources are saying and what Satish Manishinde has submitted in court. What has the NCB said officially on record in court?
Gaurav, NCB has on record stated that the accused persons, including Aryan Khan, were apprehended while they were going to board the ship. They had not gone on board the ship. Initial screening had happened and they were apprehended at the terminal itself. There were no drugs found on Aryan Khan, but NCB has stated that drugs were found on Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Damecha. Other than that, there are several others who have been arrested. Some drugs were found in their possession as well. Aryan Khan was not found in possession of any kind of drugs. Also, the NCB went on to state that new details, new information has come to light after WhatsApp chats were evaluated from Aryan Khan's phone, and that is why this points to a bigger picture that he has constantly been in touch with such elements of drug peddlers, people dealing into drugs and consuming drugs. Then Satish Manishinde, who is the defense lawyer for Aryan Khan, pointed out that WhatsApp chats cannot be relied upon by the investigation team, and some of the WhatsApp chats are of at least 2 to 3 years earlier, and that is why those cannot be relied upon. He also pointed out that Aryan Khan wasn't in the country, he was studying overseas. He just returned in the country 3 to 4 weeks back. Manishinde also went on to say
how does Shreyas Nair fit into this entire scheme of things? Because, and these are live images that we are getting to you from the Fort Court. These are live images that we are getting to you from the court. Now, this is where actor Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan and the other accused in the Mumbai drugs case, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Damecha and others, will now be taken back to the NCB headquarters in a short while from now. Okay, I want to understand, Devesh, police seem to indicate that the conduit or the local link was a certain Shreyas Nair. Is there merit in that? Has Shreyas Nair officially been placed under arrest? What is his role according to the police?
NCB has taken Shreyas Nair into custody, and also they have recovered commercial amount of drugs from him. But what is the link of Shreyas Nair to the arrested accused? Which accused is directly connected to Shreyas Nair? That is yet to be revealed by NCB. The Narcotics Control Bureau hasn't actually revealed information regarding the link between the arrested accused and Shreyas Nair. But Shreyas Nair's arrest only happened after this raid, after these accused were taken into
Images
custody.
of the Narcotics Control Bureau vehicle This appears to be the pilot jeep. Devesh, stay with me for a moment. This appears to be the initial pilot vehicle, and the accused will be taken back to the NCB headquarters in these vehicles. There are multiple accused in this case. Munmun Dhamecha being one of them. Actor Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant. The accused are now being taken back from the court, from the Killa court or the Fort court, back to the NCB. And will they once again be taken for medical examination, Devesh? Or is that once every 24 hours? And for today, that has already happened, Devesh.
Oh yes, Gaurav, they had already been taken to court before being produced in court as per the SOP, and now they will not be taken to any hospital, and they will be directly brought to the Narcotics Control Bureau office, where they will be lodged in a lockup or the remand room, where they will be interrogated along with the other accused or other detainees who have been detained right now a few hours ago by the Narcotics Control Bureau, who were brought in from the cruise liner as it sailed back to Mumbai and docked in Mumbai. NCB officials brought 8 persons back to the NCB office from the cruise liner. It seems that some of those are the event organizers. These are the same people with whom NCB officials informed the court.
Okay, and if you come to me for a moment, I want to show you these images. These are images that are just coming in on India Today. These are images of actor Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan, who's been taken out of when he's coming out of the courtroom, and then he's being taken into that vehicle. So this is, I will just play these images once again. There you see Aryan Khan. He's out of court now, into that NCB vehicle, Narcotics Control Bureau. They've got custody of Aryan Khan for another 3 days. Now, Satish Manishande has repeatedly argued in court that there is nothing found on Aryan Khan's person. He did not board the cruise liner. He did not go on the journey. He was intercepted before the journey started, along with the other accused. There you see, that's Aryan Khan being remanded once again to 72 hours or 3 days in police custody. This matter comes up in court once again on the 7th of October. I want to bring in Pankaj Upadhyay into this conversation quickly before I get you more on this big story. So, Pankaj, one thing was extremely clear in court. Satish Manishande argued that nothing was found on Aryan Khan's person, and that his custody, the NCB only wants to confront him with the accused who've been arrested today, it seems.
Gaurav, so the suspense finally ends. For at least 72 hours now, Aryan Khan will be in Narcotics Control Bureau's custody. Now, the argument given by Satish Manishande was that no drugs have been found in person of Aryan Khan, and that he was a special invitee, and that he cannot be directly linked with the illicit drug trade that perhaps is also going on the international market, and that he is not linked to this entire case. Satish Manishande also went on to say if recoveries have been made from other passengers on board, how was it that Aryan Khan is being linked with the entire story? Vidya was getting us the details from inside the court. She is with us right now. Vidya, the suspense finally ends. Satish Manishande and his battery of liars tried their level best to say that no drugs were found in person of Aryan Khan. But finally, Narcotics Control Bureau also maintained, they said the larger picture needs to be seen. The investigation is far from over, and that at this crucial stage, Aryan Khan's custody is needed. What more do you see this entire case?
Well, certainly the court was very categorical. The investigation is of prime importance. Remember, in this entire case, it's just 2 days of custody that they have had, 3 days of custody. So they certainly need more to find out. And the fact remains, remember that organizers, the ship, the people who are, actually organizing the party, after the 8 accused were taken away by the NCB, they set sail. without even informing the NCB, and that is the reason why the NCB really had to ask these people to be actually brought back at 8 o'clock.
So Vidya, this is so very interesting aspect. This is interesting aspect that has come to light, that that the bureau has now said in front of the court of law that they were expecting cooperation from the cruise management, but the ship ultimately set sail, and we saw how Samir Wankhede, the zonal head of the NCB, was in action mode in the morning hours. And a lot of new recoveries have been made. Many more people have been detained and they have been brought to the NCB headquarters. Should we conclude that in spite of knowing that the investigation was at the crucial stage, the management on purpose allowed the ship to set sail? This becomes very serious.
That is what the NCB is saying. The NCB is very categorical that they've actually wanted, they had asked the organizers of the party to just be there, stay put, don't go away. But in spite of that, they had 1,200 people on those board, 1,500 attending the party. So they thought that they should really go away. That's something that the NCB has really leveled this allegation against the organizers and said very categorically, because they have the custody now. So they need to confront the other accused.
So I believe here, Vidya, the role of the captain of the ship, role of the crew members of this international cruise liner, and also the role of this event management company, this Delhi-based event management company, now comes into play. And perhaps this is also one of the bases on which the court of law said perhaps that yes, for further investigation, remand is necessary. So now the further questioning of the crew members, the captain of the ship, and the event management company people will be of prime importance for the NCB.
Well, it certainly is, and that's the reason they have been categorically saying that confrontation with those arrested. Remember, Aryan Khan's argument is that he was just an invitee. He did not have anything to do with the organizers. They were just. But the NCB says, why were you invited? You have to show us that. Why is it? You are no Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan yourself. You are Shah Rukh Khan's son, but not a Bollywood entity per se. So why were you invited? So all that has to go into the picture. And remember, what NCB has is many chats, not just of right now, not July that they have, but of previous years as well. So they want to confront.
Vidya, I believe now the NCB would also have to prove in corroborative evidence. What Satish Manish Shinde and other lawyers, especially of Arbaz Merchant, was also trying to say that merely showing WhatsApp chats of the two friends and imagining that the duo in future would be consuming, that's the onus also kind of the NCB now.
Well, obviously, that is the reason why they're seeking custody, to find the corroborative evidence, to find out who the drug peddlers are.
So Vidya was getting us all the exclusive details that we presented before the viewers. Over to you, Sneha, now.
Getting us all of those details from Killa Court in Mumbai City. And the latest development at this hour is that Aryan Khan, the son of megastar Shah Rukh Khan, has now reached the Narcotics Control Bureau office in Mumbai City. Remember, no relief for Aryan Khan. He is in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau that has said already that they have found incriminating material on his telephone, on his cell phone, and that they need further custodial interrogation of Aryan Khan and the others. No relief whatsoever. We're going to go across to Pankaj, who continues to be with us, as well as Vidya. Pankaj, coming to you first, just to give us an idea about the kind of evidence that the Narcotics Control Bureau has as of now against Aryan, and also the arguments that have been just presented in court by his lawyer. Just take us through those details again.
Aryan, you have to say anything?
Pankaj Upadhyay, if you can hear me, just to give us a quick roundup of what's happened in court.
Yes, Sneha.
Yes.
Okay, we have Vidya with us. As I was saying, Vidya was getting at the exclusive details from inside the court. Vidya, help us understand what really transpired inside the court. Help us understand what were the kind of arguments that were given by Satish Manish Shinde, and what were the kind of arguments that were given by the NCB, especially when it comes to Aryan Khan.
Well, concerning Aryan Khan, remember, this entire argument harbored on the fact that there's nothing found on him per se. But NCB is saying that what if he had other, like Merchant was found, his best friend who was on the ship was found with drugs. So what if that drug was meant for Aryan? What if there were others who were involved in this and they carried the drug for Aryan? So all that has to be found out, and for that they need to confront Aryan with others. That's precisely
what I believe both Aryan Khan and Munmun have denied consuming any drugs on board.
Well, Munmun actually has been found carrying drugs, but in the court her lawyer specifically said, in fact who's standing right here, as to that there was no drug found. But certainly there was drug found on Munmun, and in fact after the court hearing got over and Munmun and all these people realized that they are going back to the police custody, Munmun broke down. She heavily started howling, she started crying, holding a family member, and But then there's nothing that the family members can do right now because they know that it is in CB custody, that they'll remain in the next.
There you are, Sneha. So I believe in the days to come, Narcotics Control Bureau will have to present further strong corroborative evidence if they need to further strengthen their case in front of court of law. Back to you.
Undoubtedly. Pankaj, thanks for the moment. We'll of course keep coming back to you and Vidya for more on the story. Quickly going across to Divyesh, who's outside the Narcotics Control Bureau, where Aryan Khan, along with 3 others, Divyesh, have reached. Tell us more, and also about the role of Shreyas Nair in all of this. He's been arrested as well.
Sneha, our sources in Narcotics Control Bureau have confirmed that Shreyas Nair, the peddler, who following this arrest of Aryan Khan and various others, there were raids being carried out by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and this person was apprehended and then placed under, he's now been placed under arrest. He was brought early morning by NCB officials from Goregaon. He was also found in possession of some amount of drugs, following which now NCB is trying to ascertain the details regarding Shreyas Nair. It was being alleged, it is suspected that he was linked to Arbaz merchant and also had some connection with Aryan Khan, but NCB officials are meanwhile interrogating him to find out more details regarding what is his connection with the arrested accused and how long has he been into the drug supply business. Sneha?
Yes, Divyesh, be with us. In fact, we have a reaction that is coming in. Let's go straight to that.
I have to get proper investigation done and we are cooperating.
Okay.
We are cooperating. No. So, these all innocent. They'll be all just wait to God. Just wait to God.
Thank you.
But not severe and he is just implicated.
So that's precisely. Sir, but do you think this custody, this custody that has been given, is it right to send the...
Technically it's right.
Technically they are?
I have to get proper investigation done and we are cooperating.
Okay.
We are cooperating.
No.
Big story developing from Mumbai City. We're keeping a close eye on that. For the moment, we're pausing for a quick commercial break here.